Ever needed a dashboard for your project that displays key indicators, metrics, and trends? A dashboard that you can customize to your specific needs? Let's dive into a project and explore the new Project Dashboards feature available with SonarQube Cloud Enterprise. Here, you will see the Dashboards tab, and below that tab, you will find two things: the built-in Project Health Dashboard and All Dashboards. The Project Health Dashboard is a Sonar built-in dashboard covering the essential views and indicators for your projects. It covers security, reliability, and maintainability. You can drill down further if you want to examine the details behind a particular metric. But if you wish to create your own custom project dashboard, first head to All Dashboards, and here you will see a list of all the dashboards that have already been created. You also have the option to learn more about viewing and managing dashboards in the Sonar docs. To create a custom dashboard, you have two options: select an existing dashboard and edit it, or start from scratch. I've chosen to start from scratch. Enter a name and description for your custom dashboard. This then creates the new dashboard and it gets added to the list. And from here you can begin to build. Enter edit mode and you can add widgets and sections. Let's say we want to understand how the number of issues in my project is trending over time. I can build a visualization of the count. I can select the metric to be issue count. And I can also choose to add filters, for example, overall code or just new code, and the various software qualities and status. I can also add a trend indicator. Now let's add a line chart to this dashboard to visualize this data over time. I select line chart, I select my metric, I can then add the filters I want, and I can also add a legend to the chart. And it gets added to the dashboard. I can then choose to arrange the widgets as I want. You can also choose to create a specific section in your dashboard. You may, for example, want to have a group of related metrics and indicators. In this example, I'm going to create a section that focuses just on security. In this dedicated section, I'll add some widgets that help me understand the security posture of this project at a glance. I'll speed things up. So first of all, I'll add a count with a trend for security issues. Next, I'll add a donut chart, again looking at issue count and their severity, but filtered by security issues. And finally, I'll add a third widget, again a donut chart, that this time will look at issue count by language and filtered by security, and add them to the dashboard. Finally, save the changes and you're good to go. We will continue to add widgets and enhancements to dashboards. There's a link in the description if you want to request a particular widget. Enjoy creating your project dashboards. Happy coding!